can walk away with ODI series if we put up a good fight against India, says Shakib Mahmood. After a tough T20I series loss, the England team are determined to bounce back in the ODI series. But is there still hope for them to clinch the win? Let's find out. After losing the T20I series 1-4, England were defeated by 4 wickets in the opening ODI match in Nagpur. But pacer Shakib Mahmood remains optimistic, saying the series isn't over yet. I know the tour hasn't results-wise been the best, but we have just got to keep sticking to what we believe in as a group and sticking tight together. Hopefully, we can reap some rewards. You have got to remember, coming to India and playing against India is probably one of the hardest jobs in cricket. If we can put up a good fight in these last couple of games, we could potentially walk away with the ODI series win. Mahmood acknowledges how challenging it is to compete in India, but his words suggest that all is not lost. And with 2 more games left in Cuttack and Ahmedabad, England still have a chance to turn the series round. England's tearaway pacer Jofra Archer, despite his impressive bowling speeds, has struggled to pick up wickets, and Mahmood has weighed in on Archer's performance as well. Figures in this format, especially T20, they don't always do people justice. You see some guys bowling a pile of rubbish some days and they get wickets. Then you see someone like Joff running in, bowling rockets, swinging the ball, and you just have to give credit to batters. That's been the case out here. But I think Joff's been bowling really well. He's a match winner. He's that X-factor bowler that we have got. From within the group, everyone's happy with how he's going. Mahmood is full of praise for Archer, and it's clear that his bowling is still making an impact, even if the wickets aren't coming as frequently. While the results haven't been as expected, Shakib believes that playing in India will ultimately sharpen their skills for the upcoming Champions Trophy 2025. Playing against this opposition on these wickets will sharpen up my game, so when you go out to Pakistan, you'll be in a good place ready to compete from game 1. If you look at the Champions Trophy, it's not that long at all. You're playing a max of 5 games and the first 3 are hugely important to qualify. With the timing of this, you are exposed to the hardest of tasks. Then you can have a little bit of downtime to reflect and then go into the Champions Trophy, where you got to be on it from ball 1. Mahmood certainly has a positive mindset, believing that despite the challenges in India, these tough conditions will prepare England for the Champions Trophy 2025 later this year. With the ODI series hanging in the balance, can England make a comeback? We'll be keeping an eye on the final 2 matches in Cuttack and Ahmedabad. But for now, it's clear England's spirit remains high and their eyes are on the bigger prize in Pakistan. We'll be back with more updates soon. Until then, stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe Cricket Next for more cricket updates.